Sometimes the magic is there and I'll make them all the same every day. Sometimes I'll struggle with it all day to get them the same size. My name is Michael Ball. I'm the workshop potter at East Fork. I've been a potter for 25 years. I like working with clay because I can make something from beginning to end. You'll find variation from piece to piece because sometimes the clay will be a little different, sometimes the clay is softer, and it'll be a little bit more difficult to get height on softer clay.
The East Fork workshop is like this last tie to our past as a company that was founded by potters. The way we decide to make the forms in the workshop is based on a few different factors. Some of it is what the customer wants. Some of it is how Mike is developing his skills as a potter. And some of it's based on just our whim and fancy of the day.
Each piece has a little bit of my day in it, whether it's a good part or a bad part, whether I'm struggling or really in the zone. I can remember a lot of these pieces years after I make them.